Welcome back, everybody. Is Bitcoin undervalued? We're going to dive into it. So some people out there are saying that Bitcoin is not yet undervalued as Bitcoin's price gets closer to that $16,000 number as we turn the page to 2023. So the question is, when will it be undervalued? When will the bottom be in? When will the bulls come back and push the price of Bitcoin back up? Well, we're going to try to tackle some of those questions here. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back here by the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit all the links down below. This project right here, CCX, this company, 175 plus employees from around the globe looking to completely shift the next generation of DeFi investors. Wait until you see what 2023 has in store for ClearCryptos and this community. Make sure you're locked in. Hop in that Discord down below. All right, let's dive in here. Bitcoin not undervalued yet, says research, as Bitcoin price drifts near 16K. So let's dive into this a little bit deeper. So nearly 80% below all-time highs right now. Bitcoin is nearing the zone in which it bottomed during previous bear markets. So a lot of people think we're close here. As CryptoQuant's MACD notes, there is no shortage of instruments pointing to the 2022 bear market bottom already forming. Despite this, however, the signs are not yet unanimous. And pointing to transactions in profit and loss, he warns the cheaper BTC prices may still enter into the fold here as we turn the page to Q1 of 2023. CryptoQuant's unspent transaction outputs in profit and loss indicator currently shows around 30% of transactions performed at a loss. So, however, this indicator does not show a cross and does not show that Bitcoin is undervalued yet. It will provide a clear buying time when the cross is generated. Therefore, the Bitcoin price is likely to fall further, and spot hedging and downtrend trading are required. Max pain yet to come, says traders. CryptoQuant is far from alone when it comes to concerns about Bitcoin's price action, that it may get worse before it gets better. Among popular traders, various theories call for a much deeper bear market bottom than current spot prices, this potentially coming in at $10,000 or lower. As a potential silver lining, Q1 2023 should see the start of a recovery, with 22,000 even acting as a magnet for bulls later on. Interesting. So maybe the back half of Q1, we start reversing here. Bitcoin is trading below 16.5 at the time of this writing. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows having hit its lowest levels in over a week before the start of the final Wall Street trading session of the year. So that leaves me thinking this. If and when Bitcoin comes down close to 10K, I am going to be buying at least one full Bitcoin. I've been stacking up some cash on the sidelines, living well below my means. I am ready to buy some cheap Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Are you trying to time it? Are you DCAing? By the way, I'm dollar cost averaging right now too, but I would buy in bulk at least one. I would try to get at least one at 10K. What would you guys do if Bitcoin drops to 10K? Let me know down below. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video.